What is up, guys? Today I have a fidget spinner app that you will like. Okay, and that intro is so yeah. So I'm gonna show you one of my fidget spinners that I have. I have the poop emoji, really embarrassing. I have this one. I have emojis and that. Wow. That's every time on my game. Oh yeah, this is for me. Because I saw they have somewhere to comment. It says, the fidget spinner is waiting for you. It's for free and get it for you. It says to get it. I don't know why. But yeah. Come on, go back. I don't want this stupid app. Screw you. Okay. Oh my god. Let's get the app already. I need to show my play button. Can I have my play button now? Let's click more on. Unlocked. Yes. Whoa. That's probably the highest record speed. That's probably the highest record, I bet. Like, if you know, I saw this on YouTube, even if I spin my YouTube, there's like a diamond shape. It's like from the devil's sign. I don't know why. And yeah, I'm gonna go to the bonus ones that I have. I'm gonna open that. Congratulations, you have unlocked a new fidget spinner. Okay. Tomorrow for the episode. Okay, I need to open that. A background. Whoa, hold on a minute. This game is. What the frick? Dude, I just opened one, and that literally, I went back to bonus, and now it's day 4? Day 4 already, like, it's like already day 3, dude. Man, that is mine. Alright, I need to get that. How to unlock 4 regular fidget spinners. Okay, that will be. Oh wow! I like that. It's so cool. Like, look at that snowflake, man. I wish I could get that in real life, but yeah, we're in the only 11 fidget spinner which you can die. Wow. I'm gonna pick one of my fidget spinners. I would like to get my new one, and I want to clear it. Roblox, please. Okay. And spinner quality sound, huh? Sound effect. Use. You hear that, guys? Wait, I put it slow. Man. Oh, I I hear it. Yeah. Let's go back to the fidget spinners and yeah. Die. Oh man. That's not cool, man. I don't want to die it. Like, fine, I'll get like a difference. Yeah. The heaviest fidget spinner in the world that has ever been seen. Only the God's strength can spin it. And guess what, guys? You know who can? The Thor can. But not me. Howl spinner. Okay, even if it's a house spinner, where's the how? What is that? Like, dude. Well, that's weird. That just came up. Ugh. Go away. Jeez. Come and see what. Well, I know them. Like, dude. Okay. I'm gonna show you the difference. So we're gonna go on. Try not to laugh challenge. So yeah. Okay, here it is. Just let this thing skip. Sorry for the ad. Yep, the batteries will be.
For today, kids, I'm bringing back nap time. No, nap time. We have a test. Shh, nap time. What? Nap time! Story time. The receptionist's dark secret was that the computers were only used for Minesweeper.
How did you know?
Okay.
Never mind, I got it. Get the groceries
All right.
done. Thanks for your help.
Happy birthday.
I handle it. I have to do everything around.
Short.
Ooh, Mario.
That was an awful idea.
Oh yeah, definitely.
What? Sorry, that's my ringtone. I was saying thank you for your gift of friendship. Story time. After months of research, she concluded that in
Pretty
50
weird,
years,
that
all men would be extinct. You're gonna make me lose my mind up in here, up in here. Welcome to the Hunger Games!
That is Thanksgiving!
That is mahogany! Magikarp, go! You splash! But nothing happened! Something's gonna happen. Story time. Of all the works of art in this room, she was the loveliest.
Oh.
What the? Time to get up. Seriously, it's 6 a.m. I already turned that in. Seriously, it's due in 2 weeks. Ready for Christmas. Seriously, it's June. Story time. Just like all the other flowers in this garden, she was just as exquisite.
Shut up.
Dinner, ladies. Hey, baby. Stewie Griffin. How would you like to join me for a sexy party?
They'll never find your body more beautiful than I do. You lovely thing. Sparkle. Who took my food?
Sparkle.
Jason. That was me 10 minutes ago. I was mad, but Frenchie was more important. That was me 15 seconds ago. Screw it. Jason!
We're not going to Waffle House.
Think of all that sticky syrup, Stewie.
Yes, so glad there's only one of you.
Will you let me be the happiest man in the world? And let me pet your dog? Yeah! Puppy! Hey, kitty. Hey, good kitty. I ain't good. Why? I suddenly hate you.
That was weird, guys. Ooh, that was bad.
It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the Y. So I said to him, you don't put biscuits in a boot.
Oh my god, you do that.
Of course, honey.
Oh my
It's
god.
not gonna hurt you anymore.
I miss you.
Oh, I miss you too, but this is important to Daddy.
But it's been 3 days.
Honey, this is hide and seek. I hide and you find me.
I curse you never for children.
Oh, it's fine.
We can just adopt.
And I changed the Wi-Fi password.
Spiro, go! You sky attack.
I want to be an actor, I want to be a singer, I want to be an astronaut, I want to be a scientist, I want to be a fighter.
I want to have enough money to eat today.
Well, he grew up definitely. I laughed.
Hey!
Hey, what are we doing this?
Yeah. You're gonna hear me roar.
We sound great together.
What a glorious day! Good morning, everyone. Time to go outside outside would be super productive. And it's nighttime. Hey, everybody. Uh-oh. Is that a cockroach? No, it's a Mother's Day flower. Hello? Dude, there's been a kidnapping.
What? Is he okay?
Oh, he's waking up. He's waking up. It's all good. I'm singing in the rain. Whoa! That was
Okay,
a horrible
this
idea.
If I'd known it was
Yeah.
on a tank top.
Really horrible idea.
Drive over me! Thank you. Couldn't do it. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. And at last I see the light. Dude!
Sorry.
Flipendo! Time to finally get myself in shape! Oh, yeah! These birds are angry. Come on, you gotta push. Congratulations!
Is it helping delivery?
It's not delivering. It's
Oh,
the
that's
DoorDash.
right.
It's still in there. Togepi, go! Use mirror move. Dude. There you are. Come play with me.
Okay, no. We have a paper due and we have to get past level 40. How did I get here?
Don't question it. Tunnelberry Acres, we warn you not to swim in the bushes. If you do, we'll think you're crazy, and you'll be shot on sight.
What do? You know, you shouldn't do it.
I know, studying.
This time.
Grandma!
Let's go, I'm ready!
Nice to meet you, Reddy. I'm Dad.
I kind of left potential. I'm like that kind of bad.
Hey, anyone can cook. Hey guys, I'm not really feeling it today, so why don't you just sit there and let me tell you about geometry.
Twas the night before Christmas, and in St. Nick, Santa or not, he was breaking and entering, so I knew what to do.
Son, I just followed you on all your social media.
Oh, relax, darling. Daddy's got this.
Do you know how fast you are?
Oh, you're in trouble! Today I'm going to show you how to put this meatloaf in the oven in just 30 short minutes. I burned my entire house to the ground. So,
Somebody help!
we will.
Can you go faster?
That's going to go this way. You guys are pathetic.
Think we're too old for sandcastles?
No, you guys just aren't trying hard enough. Oh my goodness, look at this sail. It's amazing. We are never, ever, ever getting back together. Okay. First, my mom doesn't wake me up, then the bus never shows up. Mondays. Not gonna possibly get a. Oh, it's summer!
They get to work in groups.
Yeah!
Of 3. Thomas, he's out. He's gotta go.
Time is smoking. Get it! No. Get out my face! Get out!
You ready?
Let's do it!
Come on, get up.
Can't, I'm dead.
No, you're not.
How tall are you? 6'4". How tall are you? I am 5 foot 2 inches and 3/4. I will destroy you. Now that you can choose. I can't decide. They're all cute and they're mine now.
What?
Getting prepared for those trick-or-treaters, huh? You know it. Never fear, for
I got this.
That's sweet.
What did you do?
Nothing. Dad, you're it. Look what you've done.
Well, I assume that's weird.
While you were gone, you missed 3 exams.
Really?
And 20 homework assignments.
Okay, I'm gonna be right back. Then I flew myself right into the sun. I'm better than you! Everybody understand this? Yes. Any questions? Yes. All right, story time. And that's when they became horribly lost.
Are we lost?
No. He lied. 2000 Howler. Wait! I think you're really pretty! Disney friends with friends. I'm a beautiful butterfly!
Well, I guess that's it of the video. So if you enjoy, hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and hit that bell. I'll see you. Goodbye, guys. Have a great night.